Hey guys, how are you? I've had some questions on my mini album here. Well, one specific question: how did I make the pages? And here is the page, okay, with the pockets. So I will show you that right now. For that size book, it's an 8.5 by 8.5. You will need a 12 by 12 piece of paper, cardstock. So for the first score, you're going to score at a 1/2 inch. The next score is turn it this way. Oh wait, no, we have another score on this side. I'm sorry. So the side that you scored your 1/2 inch on, you're going to go to the 8.5 mark and you're going to score there all the way down. Okay, so then you're going to turn it, and at this point it doesn't matter which way you turn it. Then you're going to score at 4. So now that you got your scoring done, I'll show you that. If you can, 1/2 inch here. Here, I'll draw it. 1/2 inch. Okay, there's the 1/2 inch. Then here is the 4. And then here is the 8.5. Okay, so this is going to be your spine. This 1/2 inch is going to be the spine. So what you will do is you will cut this whole big square off. Like that. Then you will cut the bottom of the 1/2 inch piece off, and it should look like this. This will be what you connect it to your spine with. This is the binding. Okay, now you can reinforce that binding if you want to, which I did with cardstock, decorative cardstock. So then it's up to you on what pocket you want front and what pocket you want back. So this is going to be the front, the larger pocket, the 4 inch. And this is going to be the back, the 8.5 inch, which is actually 2 and something inches. I think it's, hold on, let me see, 3 inches, because we measure the 1/2 inch in for the spine, so then this would be 3 inches. And so then you just glue up the sides, and when you stick it in your book, you will have a side pocket and you will have a bottom pocket. So like in my book, this is the bottom pocket, which is right here. Okay, and then I reinforced my binding with some cardstock, decorative cardstock, and here is my side pocket, and there is the binding here. And they all are like that. I did that for every page. Okay. So every page has a pocket, front and back, one page, 112 by 12. Now, if you wanted to do it smaller, your paper needs to be perfect square in order to get it smaller. So say you want it to be this, because this is an 8.5 by 8.5 with all the scoring, you need to use 12-inch, but say you want a 6 by 6. So you would have to calculate, if I want it to be 6 by 6 with pockets, what size am I going to need my paper to be? And if I am not mistaken, it should be 10 by 10. And then you would do your 1/2 inch, and because that would make it 9 by 10, and then you would go on and score in the appropriate places, and then you will get your page that looks like this in a smaller form. I hope you understood that, because it's hard to explain if you aren't good with measurements, and I like everything to be even. So mine is 12 by 12, and it came out very, very simple, and I knew I wanted to make a larger book, so this will be what gets glued. And then when you do the next page, like I have another one waiting right here, so when you glue it into your book, say this is your spine. I have to turn it the other way because it's going to make my pocket be on the wrong side. So, alright, so then you would take your 2 pages and you will take the spine and you'll put them together like that. And then you'll stick it in your book. Glue it into your book. So then when you open it, you got a pocket here and a pocket there, a pocket here and a pocket here. And that is it. Very, very simple, very easy. If you have any questions, let me know. If I can help in any way, let me know. If you decide to make a mini album using this type of pocket page, let me know. I would love to see it. And I will be back with a small haul. Yeah, I think that's pretty much what I'll be back with, and possibly some other things, but I'm not sure yet. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.